Hello students, how are you? I hope you all will be fit and fine. Today we are going to learn about the wildlife and about the forest. In this chapter we will study about the biodiversity, flora and fauna and the type of forest. Students, you know very well forests are very useful to us. They give shelter to the animals, they bring the rain, they give us fodder and fuel. So there are many uses of forest we will read in this chapter. So you know our earth, that is a planet of life. It has many types of organisms, all types of living things, from microorganisms to elephant, banyan tree, etc. So there is a lot of biodiversity in the earth. All these topics we will study today in this chapter. So let us students, now we will know about the forest and wildlife resources in detail. First of all, we will know about what is flora and fauna in India. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. In India, there is a variety of flora and fauna are found. Thus, it is one of the world's richest countries in terms of biological diversity. It has about 8% of the total number of species of plants and animals known in the world. However, at least 10% of India's wild flora and 20% of its mammals are on the threatened list. Here, threatened means in danger. Some of them are categorized as critical, on the verge of extinction. Here extinction means लुप्त होना. These include animals like cheetah, mountain quail, pink-headed duck and forest-spotted owlet as well as plants like mahua. So these are the plants which are going to be extinct, जो खत्म होने के कगार पर हैं. Now we will know about the facts related to the flora and fauna. Till now, 81,000 species of fauna and 47,000 species of flora are found in India. अगर हम भारत की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पर 81,000 एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स और 47,000 स्पीसीज ऑफ फ्लोरा पाए जाते हैं. द नंबर ऑफ थ्रेटन्ड fauna in India includes which are in danger, that are 79 species of mammals, 44 of birds, 15 of reptiles and 3 of amphibians. About 1500 plant species are considered endangered in India. 1500 पौधे ऐसे हैं जो भारत में खतरे की कगार पर हैं. Now we will know about the categories of species. There are many categories of species that are found. Actually, IUCN has categorized plants and animal species in order of existence. Here IUCN, I means international, U for union, C for conservation and N for nature and natural resources. So the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources has categorized plants and animal species in order of existence. IUCN ने इन स्पीसीज को एग्जिस्टेंस के हिसाब से, उनके अस्तित्व के हिसाब से कुछ कैटेगरीज में बांटा है. लेट अस सी व्हिच आर दे. These categories are defined as follows. First category is normal species. Species whose population levels are considered to be normal for that survival, such as cattle, sal, pine, rodents, etc. Here rodent means type of animal. So what are the normal species? Normal species क्या होते हैं? जिनका लेवल, जिनकी पॉपुलेशन का लेवल जो है सामान्य है, तो उसको सामान्य प्रजाति बोलते हैं. सेकेंड है endangered species. Endangered species means ऐसी स्पीसीज जो खतरे में है। Species facing a high risk of becoming extinct because they are very few in number or threatened by changing environment or by predators. These are the species which are threatened by the changing environment and or by predators. Here predator means that who predates, means shikari. For example, blackbuck, crocodile, Indian wild ass, Indian rhino, lion-tailed Sangai. These are the species which are going to be threatened by change of environment or by predators. Third one is vulnerable species. Species whose population is decreasing and are facing a risk of moving into endangered categories: blue sheep, Asiatic elephant, Gangetic dolphin, etc. These are the species which are vulnerable. Vulnerable means that in Hindi you will say subed, that they will no more longer live. जो ज़्यादा जीवित रहने वाले नहीं हैं या जिनमें क्षमता नहीं है जीवित रहने की, they have no capacity to live. Next is rare species. Species with a small population are rare. These can become vulnerable or endangered if the negative factors affecting them continue to operate. Now see this statement: negative factors affecting them continue to operate. Rare species are those if on them negative factors affecting them continue to operate. अगर उन पर जो है नकारात्मक तत्व उस पर प्रभाव डालते रहेंगे तो वो रेयर स्पीसीज में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे। जैसे कि हिमालयन ब्राउन बियर है, वाइल्ड एशियाटिक बफेलो है, डेजर्ट फोक्स है एंड हॉर्नबिल. These are the examples of the rare species. Endemic species. Species which are only found in some particular area. ये ऐसे स्पीसीज होते हैं जो केवल किसी एक विशेष स्थान पर पाए जाते हैं. ड्यू टू देयर नेचुरल और जियोग्राफिकल बैरियर्स, उनका जो है प्राकृतिक और भौगोलिक कुछ बाधाएं होती हैं कि वो एक ही स्थान पर रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिथन, a variety of cattle found only in Arunachal Pradesh. Andaman white pig, Nicobar pigeon and Andaman red, etc. These are the species which are found in a particular area, not in other places. And last one is extinct species. Species which are not found after searches of known or likely areas where they may occur. जहाँ उनको मिलना चाहिए वहाँ पे अब हमको नहीं पा रहे हैं, that are called extinct species. The extinct species category consists of those species which are also not available in captivity. Asiatic cheetah, pink-head duck, these are the example of extinct species. Now let us know about the flora and fauna, why it is going on depletion. Humans are themselves responsible for depletion of their forest and wildlife. They transform nature for obtaining resource directly and indirectly from the forest, like wood, leaves, rubber, medicine, dyes, food, fuel, fodder, manure, etc. and wildlife. The human is the only reason for the depletion of flora and fauna, because it is using the resources directly and indirectly, indiscriminately. He is not using them judicially. If the man will use the flora and fauna judicially, there will be no reason that we can conserve the flora and fauna. Now students, let's turn for important facts. First, India is one of the world's richest countries in terms of biological diversity. Second, IUCN classified species of flora and fauna. IUCN ने plants और animals की species को classify किया है. Here is rodent. Rodent means that it is a type of animal. flora and fauna, animals and plants. Next is who are predators. Predator means who hunt, means shikari. And in the last, women are themselves responsible for depletion of flora and fauna. So students, today we have studied about the flora and fauna and their types like vulnerable, extinct, rare, etc. And we have also studied about the reason of depletion of flora and fauna. We have also come to know that there is a lot of biodiversity on the earth planet, and what are the reasons about the depletion of that. And in the next video we will study about the type of forest and their uses. Till then, bye, stay home, stay safe, thank you.